channel. So today we are opening another advent calendar, and this time it's an affordable one. This is by the brand Essence. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. If you haven't heard of the Essence brand, it's basically a very affordable makeup line, and they have had some really great makeup. Now the only thing that I've tried so far is their mascaras, because I feel like that's what they're really known for. So this box is a good way to try for all you makeup lovers out there. This is a good box for you to try the brand Essence. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I got this for around $40. I'll put the exact pricing here. I really wanted to get to know this brand more, like get into it and see, you know, if they're really good aside from the mascaras. There's 24 drawers in here and it's all for $40. That is kind of like less than $2 per box, so I feel like that's not bad at all. And yeah, and if you're wondering, like, Essence makeup will probably range from $5 to $9. I mean, from what I can tell. I know there has to be more expensive brands, maybe when it comes to their foundations or concealers. Do they have foundations and concealers? You know, I really need to get to know this brand more. So let's go ahead and get started. I have this propped up on top of another advent calendar because it's a little low. It's one of the smaller boxes that I've unboxed. But if you open it, there's 3 drawers. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. I think all of the numbers are pretty much scattered. Yeah, I can see 1 right here. And then you also have the number 17. So it is pretty random. So we're gonna be searching through this a lot. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with box number 1. So box number 1 is right here. They're not as fancy as the boxes in Feel Unique or the Body Shop, but that's okay. It's like it's a big one, guys. Let's see. We have the Essence Luminous Blush. Ooh, super pretty. I love the star stamping. This definitely is gonna have a sheen or shimmer to it. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this blush. It's super smooth. Okay, so that's what it looks like on my skin tone. It is super shimmery, guys. So hopefully you can see that. It's a rosy color and it's in the color Jingle Glow. Nice. Okay. Box number 2 is right here. We have some type of lip gloss. This is a lip scrub. Very nice. It's kind of plummy or lavender-like. So it's a lip scrub with sweet almond oil. I love anything almond when it comes to skincare and body. So love that we got that. Box number 3. Number 3, where are you? The only thing is if you take out the middle drawer, the top drawer is gonna fall down. Okay, number 3. Oops, found it. It's an eyeshadow base. This is definitely gonna work as a primer for eyeshadow. It basically helps your eyeshadow to stick better to your eyes. And the color looks like it's gonna work for a lot of skin tones. So love that. Box number 4 is on the bottom row. We have, oh, this is cute. What is this? Nail jewelry sticker. My daughter is gonna love this. This is so cute, and it has a very holiday theme. So it has like the Christmas presents, it's got stars, it's got leaves, ribbons, candy canes. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute. Like a perfect addition to your nails. Kind of dress up your nails during the holidays. Can't wait to try this. Number 5. It's a lipstick. Ooh, it's in black packaging. Looks so fancy. It's a semi-matte lipstick for the sweetest Christmas kiss. And that's the color right there. I'm surprised that it's a pretty nude, neutral color. Like I was expecting a bright red because it said Christmas kiss. It is a very nice size. Look at that. I'm so scared that it's gonna break. But this is a very nice color. What do you guys think? Box number 6. Okay, number 6 is a little bit bigger. Do you guys use Essence makeup at all? If you do, comment down below what are some of the makeup items that you use from Essence. I would really like to know, like, what are your favorites? Because I really want to get to know this brand more. Okay. Number 6. It's a mirror, but look at this packaging first. How cute. Okay, let's see what this mirror looks like. Oh, so it has like that gold pocket that's gonna cushion your mirror, so that's nice. It has that Essence logo right there, very nice. I love the back end of it. Let's see. Yep, the mirror looks like a good quality. None of those like super blurry. I cannot wait to put this in my purse. Number 7. It's on the top row. And it's a long one. What is it? Oh, wait a minute. I'm guessing it's a makeup brush. I like this little pink packaging. You know what this packaging reminds me of? Like the Precious Moments. Have you guys seen that before? Ooh, very cute. A brush for your brows. It definitely feels light and a little, you know, kind of cheap. We'll see how long this lasts because I don't mind affordable brushes. Some of my most favorite brushes are from e.l.f. It just depends. Sometimes every brand has some good ones and some brands have some bad ones. So we'll see, but I love this glittery theme, gold theme going on. Next one, number 8. Gotta keep looking. And now you can't close it because some of the other windows have been opened. A nail primer. Aw, it's a mini nail primer. Definitely travel size or deluxe size. Maybe this is like a nail base. So I do my nails at home. I use Color Street. I've got 2 friends who are Color Street consultants or stylists. They're Jackie from Jackie Naturals and also Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty. So if you want to order some Color Street nail polish, order from them. They're amazing. I love the nail strips. This week is the week before Halloween, so I have my Halloween nails on. This should be a nice base to try before doing my nails, so I'm excited I got this. Who knew Essence had nail stuff? Like, I didn't know. I thought they were all just makeup products, so. Okay, number 9. I'm just gonna keep all the 3 in front of me. That way I don't have to pull the drawers out and I'll just let you guys admire this beautiful box right there. Number 9 looks like it's a long one. So let's see. Woo! I got a mascara and it's a full size. Yes, okay. I've never tried this one before. Extreme Volume Mascara, and I definitely love an extreme volume. Like, my lashes are non-existent. They don't exist. I mean, I have to work so hard to get them to show. This mascara feels heavy. Like, it feels more luxe compared to all the other Essence products I've tried. But again, they are known for their mascaras. So I'm so glad that I get to try this one. And it's full size. Let's go to box number 10. Oh my goodness, they're little baby sponges. I've never tried Essence sponges. Like, I've tried a couple of different drugstores. One of my favorites is actually one from Shop Miss A. I think it's an AOA sponge. I'm not sure. One of the best makeup sponges I've tried, better than the Beauty Blender, which is like $18, $19. And this one's $1.80, I think. Literally $1, maybe $2. If this doubles in size, it's gonna be perfect for the inner corner of your eyes to kind of blend the concealer. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Okay, number 11 is right here. Okay, let's do this. Ah! Everything's opening up. So number 1 was here. So if you're not careful, you could potentially open like the entire front of it. So, okay, next one is a moisturizing hand mask with urea and vitamin E. This is interesting. I like that it's holiday themed. Can't get enough of hand lotion. So we'll see if this is truly moisturizing. Number 12. Number 12 right here. Nice, long, and thin. Looks like an eye pencil. Yep, it's a Kajal eye pencil. So Kajal eye pencils are supposed to be super creamy. Let's check it out. Yep, it feels soft. It's not entirely black on the hand. It's more lighter than black. It's not true black. I think this will be perfect for like everyday black because it's not super black and dramatic. How many times have I said black? I'm excited I got this. By the way, guys, I have done a video on hypoallergenic eye pencils, so check that out in case you are interested, because I know a lot of you guys are having a hard time using eye makeup in general. Number 13. We are halfway there, guys. What do you think so far? Give this video a thumbs up if you are liking and enjoying this video. Comment down below which one is your favorite item that you like so far. Number 13. It's the season to shine with this festive, self-adhesive face jewelry. I don't do a lot of that on my channel, but I've always wanted to explore like makeup with art, you know? So who knows? I might try this out maybe for the New Year's. Super sparkly for sure. I might draw some inspiration from my girls, Lin Beauty and Liz from Queen of Hearts LA. They are amazing makeup artists. Like, they are currently in their Halloween Monster Mash type of deal, and they are putting out so many creative makeup looks. Like, wow. Box number 14. 14 is a long one. Let's see. Looks like it's a makeup brush, guys. I love that we're getting makeup brushes. It looks like a blender brush. You know what I like about these brushes so far is that they're tiny, like the perfect travel size. They're not like too tiny where you can't have a good grip on them, but just long enough. They have the same gold design on the brush. Let's see, number 15. I think it's nail polish. It's a deluxe size nail polish and it's very nude. I don't know if this looks nice on my skin tone. Definitely it's gonna look amazing on my daughter's skin tone. And imagine using this and pairing it up with these holiday nail stickers. I think it will look super cute. Definitely my daughter will enjoy this. So I'm excited that we got this. Okay. Number 16. A nail file. So glittery. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I was just thinking the other day that I need a new nail file, so I'm glad I got this. Okay, number 17. Here's number 17. They don't come out easily, guys. Okay, here we go. It is a juicy lip balm. So it's a shiny lip gloss. I'm not a lip gloss person, so I'm gonna save this for my daughter, although a lot of you guys might really like this. It's supposed to be non-sticky with a dragon fruit scent. So that's interesting. I love dragon fruit. Yes. Number 18. All right. Is a hair tie. It's cute. It's a little childish in my opinion. I think this is the perfect ponytail for like your tweens or your teens. Number 19 is another long one. I get excited for the long ones. I don't know, it's just a different shape. It's another brush, and this is a flat shader brush. So we've got 3 brushes so far, and they're very travel size friendly, so that's nice. Number 20. It is a Caring lip balm. It is a clear lip balm this time. You can't get enough lip balms during the winter time. I have been waiting for cool weather. I'm so ready for it. Comment down below if you've tried any of Essence's lip balms. If you have one that you recommend, let us know in the comments below. Let's see what's in 21. Okay, it's a lash curler. How is this a lash curler? A lash curler or an eye pincher? How do you use this? I have no idea how to use it. But when I figure this out, I will show it to you guys on this screen. But this is the most unique eyelash curler I've ever seen. I'm afraid to try it on myself, but I think if this really works, this would be a nice travel eyelash curler. So, 22. 22. Oh no! Gloss top coat. It's a top coat. Okay. I'm not loving the nail stuff. I came for makeup. With advent calendars, you're not gonna like every single thing in the box. Really, it just depends. But I think the nail polish is a little overkill. We did 22, so let's do 23. Okay, 23. I hope it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a brush cleansing tool. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna use this. You put your hand around it, and then you just swirl your brush inside and it's gonna help you clean. I have all sorts of silicone mats like these, and this one is definitely perfect for travel. And when you're done, you can even set your little beauty sponge on top. I love that you can hold it a certain way so it doesn't move. This is genius. I'm glad I got this. We're on the last one, guys. 24. Oh, I hope it's a good one. The last box has to be like the wow factor, don't you think? We got an Essence highlighter. Nice, and it has that same design as the blush. There's no mirror or anything, but I love this star stamping. It's supposed to be a goldy Christmas shimmery highlighter. So after 2 coats, you can kind of see it's this one right here. It's a little subtle for what I like. Well, actually, no. Actually, it's still nice. This is perfect for every day. So glad I got this. And it's super buttery and creamy. What do you guys think so far about this advent calendar? It's not bad. I feel like this is the perfect gift for a teen or tween. There's the nail polish. There's a little bit of makeup. Tons of lip gloss. The only thing is I wish there was maybe a lipstick and maybe one more mascara. Did you like the items? Would you get this box? Let me know in the comments down below. So my Essence box was standing on top of the giveaway, the advent calendar giveaway that I was given. And I have been revealing to you guys what you could win and what's inside this advent calendar. I have revealed box number 6 and also box number 10. So you have the Spawn Gel from 10 and you have the AOA Brush Cleanser from Shop Miss A. Now, I revealed another one on my Instagram page. To be a part of the giveaway, comment down below what box I revealed in my Instagram post. What box number and item. My Instagram is at Terrafil's Corner. In case you don't know, at the end of all my advent calendar unboxings, I will pick a winner, and there's gonna be one winner to win all of this advent calendar stuff. I wanna get it to you guys before December 1st so you can start opening your, 12 days of posh beauty and have fun with it. This giveaway is open to all my subscribers, US residents only. I know, I wish I could open it internationally, but I just can't afford the shipping. This box is super bulky and heavy, and yeah, maybe someday I'll have it open to my international subscribers. All of the rules for entering in this advent calendar giveaway is in the description box below, so check it out. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.